Greetings and salutations. Getting ready to do a long awaited unboxing. I have been waiting to get into this for a couple of weeks, but my room was a mess. This is a package from the infamous Silaholics Anonymous. The Honestly Speaking ink and sublimation paper. Get into it. It's packaged fragilely, which I appreciate. Let me get. Ordered some ink and some sample paper, I think. It's been so long, I don't remember. Packaging. Wonderful. We got the 4 inks. Pretty good size bottles. We have. This is the chip resetter, I believe. Chip resetter. Close one. Can you see? Can you see? Chip resetter. Some directions. This is the directions for the chip resetter. These are to fill the inks, cartridges, because I'm a tad bit lazy, I ordered the ink. She has several packages. I ordered the inks that come initially filled for you. So we're gonna try that. I think that's it. Wait, no, there's more. Paper. This is what I was most excited about. This paper. See if it feels any different. It was super thick, like much thicker than the paper I've been using. Very good quality. I'm gonna snag a piece of that paper I've been using to see the difference. Oh, please. Oh, man. This paper is like way different. This is heavy. They're supposed to be the same weight. There's no way. Somebody robbed me. Her paper, Silaholics Anonymous paper, feels like almost like a cardstock close to this. I got robbed. I've been robbed. That's official. I've been robbed. I mean, this paper's been working, but I guess that could be the reason why the thickness and the great grade could be the reason why it doesn't bleed. I appreciate that. I can't wait to test it. How about we do that?